Well, happy Thursday, everyone. It's Donna. How are you? So, I have my little quilt top. It's now bound. I found the right color, and I tell you what, I'm getting better at this binding thing and closing it out because, I left a wide enough opening. I cut a place, and then I measured the other one over for a 2.5 inch overlap, since I was using a 2.5 inch strip for my binding, and I cut it blindly, hoping, instead of sewing first, and it worked. I am so happy with myself. I would say I almost nailed it the first time, but the first time I sewed it, had sewn it backwards, so I did have to take that out and fix that. But then I cut it, and sewed the seam open, and I put the binding, finished it up. Now I tell you, I'm not that good at my binding, so there are a couple of places on the back that I will have to hand tack down that I missed like a little bit. But hey, I'll take that instead of putting the whole thing on by hand. You know what I'm saying? But I am extremely happy with this. So I am looking forward to my next project. That mystery quilt is supposed to start tomorrow. My husband thinks that I should attempt to do it. Um, he even offered to do the cutting of the fabric for me, but that's not right for him. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I've already bought the fabric. I don't know. I do not know. So who knows? But I know I will be starting other projects. So anyway, I'm glad this one is in the books except for the handwork. I will talk to you later, and I hope you are having good progress on your projects too. Bye.